I've never tried to pull the wool over people's eyes about my history. I mean, I come from the Bogside. I come from a community that was discriminated against for far too long, not just treated like second-class citizens, but third-class citizens in our own city. And as a result of that, there was a conflict, and I was part of that conflict. But I've also, for the last more than 20 years, been part of a very important peace process that is held up as a beacon of hope for many other conflicts throughout the world. So I don't regret my past. I regret that there was a conflict. Absolutely. I regret that in that conflict an awful lot of people were hurt. But I do think that the work that I have been involved in over the course of the last 20 years or more is valued by people, for example, in the unionist community, who regularly come up to me and utter the phrase, which is a common phrase that I get everywhere, including on the streets of London. You know, you're doing a great job, keep up the good work.